over a 40-year-old F100 Coyote swap, Whipple supercharger. You're going to subscribe, stay up to date with this. So we're going to go inside, look at the parts that's coming in for this truck, talk all about the build. Hey, what's up? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. F100, check it out. Just shipped in this weekend for a Coyote swap. So I'm going to be doing some videos in the future of us building this, but I thought we got to look at this truck stock and really appreciate how awesome this truck is. So it's a 1973. We're going to walk around it real quick. But man, this truck's over 40 years old. It's got original paint. I love the two-tone. Let's look inside. So what I like about this truck right here is it's pretty original. I mean, inside this thing, think about this back in the day where like the inside of the doors and the dash, everything's just painted. But we're gonna get this truck really awesome. We're probably gonna do some Dakota digital gauges, I would guess, in this thing. Some interior upgrades, maybe the radio, stereo, and of course, Coyote swap. So, Doug, follow me right here. Let's just walk around, look at it. And hey, after we look at this truck, we're gonna go into the warehouse and look at some parts. The Coyote just came in on it. But this came in out of Texas. And it's a sweet ride. It actually runs really good. So our client that has this truck has been driving this. It's just an old Ranger, and he's been driving it, but he was ready. He's been wanting a Coyote swap, so it's here. And I think we should look at the engine before this truck gets gutted. So come up here, Doug. And I'll tell you what, old muscle right here, but this will be replaced. So we're gonna be yanking that out, doing a Coyote swap, and it's gonna be an awesome vehicle. It's gonna make a lot of power. It's gonna get good gas mileage. We're actually doing an automatic. So we're gonna do a 6R80 transmission in this truck. We're gonna go inside right now and look at it. So there it is. Look at that. Killer setup right there. Doug, follow me. We're gonna go inside. So if you haven't been following us on social media or anything like that, you probably haven't seen some of the F100 swaps we've been doing. You should check it out. Not only F100s, but other Coyotes in general. And then of course, like and subscribe on YouTube to stay up to date with stuff like this. So we're gonna cut in here through the dyno cell. Just got finished with this Mustang right here. This Mustang was sick, man. 930, the tires through the Coyote. Let's walk in here, Doug. We're gonna make our way back to the warehouse. I'm gonna have to lose the shades. So this is our dyno cell right here. We just got finished with this car. Really sick setup. It's 2013 Mustang making 930 the tires on a built engine, and of course not a stock engine. Whipple supercharger, and guess what? Whipple's going on that F100. So let's go out here. Might be something cool here in the shop you can check out. Let's just go see what we have going on out here. So anytime you come out in our shop here at Brenspeed, there is it's just random all the time. So here we have an old Corvette. This car came in with a new crate engine in it. We converted it over to fuel injection. We had full suspension on it, full interior swap. The car came out really, really good. And then, like always, Mustangs everywhere. A lot of F-150s in here all the time. But what we're gonna do right now is let's just go out in the warehouse and just skip through all this and look at the crate engine, some of the wiring harness possibly, and the transmission that just came in for the F100. And then we'll keep doing videos on that so you guys can stay up to date on how to build one of these trucks. Follow me. All right, so we're out here in the warehouse, and a lot of the parts showed up already for the F100 swap. So Doug, let's go over here. We're gonna start out with a takeout 6R80 transmission. And you know, if you're looking for a build like this, these are all, we can acquire all these parts. It's really no big deal to get. We have all new front suspension for the truck because the factory front suspension is not going to work. I want to show you a few things we have in right now, and we're going to do this in stages. So the idea is we're going to bring the truck in, we're going to get the engine in, then we're going to work our way back, and then we're going to do suspension and fuel system, and I'll do videos on all that. So again, subscribe and notify. If you're building an F100, you're going to want to see this. So we have the front right here, and then this came in. So we have this is a Gen 2 Coyote. So it's a 15 to 17 Coyote engine, getting some Ford Racing. Might as well just take a little peek at it right here. You've probably seen videos on crate engines, but of course they're brand new and they're completely complete. So that's going to be awesome. This truck. So it's a brand new engine. You know, you can build these with takeout engines. Sometimes building something like this, you got to be careful on buying a used engine. So we're doing brand new on this. Then over here, what do we have? We have our wiring harnesses, our control pack, basically everything to get the engine set up. We have a flex plate back there, and then cooling. So we have a radiator and fan. And that's gonna be our like stage one on this truck. We wanna get this in. We're gonna do that first, and then we'll work our way back again with the drive shaft and all the suspension and fuel system. And I will do videos on that. So again, you know, I'll leave some links in the description on the parts you just looked at. And you know, I'm gonna do these videos on this truck. I'm gonna do them as I can, but it'll be a cool build. I mean, that thing looked awesome. I can't believe these things are 40 years old. And that truck coming in from Texas was so clean. And I could almost drive it like that, but it's gonna be sick like this. So if you have a question about this truck, leave a comment, happy to answer. But that's it, I'm Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching. And again, like I said, F100 lovers, subscribe, hit notify, because you're gonna see this truck get built, and we're putting a big Whipple on it. It's gonna make a ton of power. It's gonna be awesome. Thank you.